To other news now, the country has been rocked by yet another mass shooting. This after 8 persons were shot, 4 fatally at a party in New Road's Westmoreland on Monday night. TVJ News understands that among those dead is one of the culprits that was armed but was later killed by his cronies. Amoy Harriet explains.
What was meant to be a fun time turned deadly for patrons at Instagram Mondays, a party that was being held at this bar on Monday night. A black handkerchief, scattered boom bottles, and a bullet-riddled wall were left as a painful reminder to the families who lost their loved ones. The deceased have been identified as 41-year-old Damian Baker, an electrician, Adain Scott, otherwise called Moses, Rocky Lawrence, and Ashade Spence, otherwise called Future, all from the community. According to the police, gunmen in a black Toyota Corolla Fuda motorcar drove up at the bar, disembarked the vehicle, and opened fire at the patrons. The incident has left the community in mourning.
Well, this community, me tell you, was a peaceful community, because we used to say here's the best part in Westmoreland. Because we never have no crime in here, so. It's like most time we used to some people lose, like them goat, people thief here and go. But me I tell you, me a 60-year-old December, the first this happened in this community. Because we used to say here's the best part in Westmoreland.
But in just hours, that changed.
This little young guy will get shot is the only electrician we have in the community. You can call upon. And that guy will go on in the work. What you say, you feel it. I couldn't go work for morning. Like you want to cry and I can't cry.
Scott's aunt says the family is struggling to cope as he died leaving his baby.
He was a very loving gentleman. Anytime I call Moses to do anything, he's always willing. Very loving and caring. Softly going, make no trouble. Anybody can call upon him at any time. Whether you have money or not, he's always willing to assist. Lord Jesus, it's very hard. When I hear last night, I tremble like a leaf. I never know I could be right. I would be right here now. I feel it.
The police say no motive has been established for the mass shooting. One concerned resident says he hopes the lawmen will continue to work overtime to rid the country of illegal guns because
if they don't get rid of the gun, we think it's going to happen same way. It's going to happen same way. The gun is the problem. First time, I fist and rock stone, we could have challenged them. But now, we don't have no weapon, we don't have no power. So without the gun, no. Get rid of the gun. Now continue.
On August 11, 17 persons were shot, 8 fatally in Cherry Tree Lane, Clarendon at a bingo party. Just days after that, another mass shooting at a wake in St. Catherine left 8 persons shot, 1 fatally. Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.